Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for cultural program. To get started with registering for cultural programs with Semester at Sea, first, visit the official Semester at Sea website. Locate the Cultural Programs section on the homepage. Click on that section to access detailed information about available programs. Review the list of cultural programs offered for your upcoming voyage. Select a program that interests you by clicking on its title. Read through the program description, including dates, requirements, and costs. Take note of any prerequisites or deadlines mentioned. Next, find the Register Now button associated with the program. Click on the Register Now button to open the registration form. Fill out the required details in the registration form. Provide your personal information, including your name and contact details. Make sure to indicate your program preference clearly. If necessary, upload any required documents or forms. Double-check all the information entered for accuracy. After confirming everything is correct, proceed to the payment section. Select your preferred payment method and complete the transaction. Once your registration is successful, you will receive a confirmation email. This email will include details about your registration and further instructions. Be sure to check any additional requirements or materials you may need to prepare before the program begins. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.